How far can a human push their body and mind? How much pain, fear, and pressure can one endure? For the men and women of the United States Special Forces, these limits are tested every single day. American Special Forces are among the most elite and highly trained soldiers in the world. They are not just fighters, they are survival experts, tactical masters, and mission specialists. Only a few ever make it through their grueling selection and training. The first step is the selection process. Candidates face some of the most demanding physical and mental tests imaginable. Endurance runs of 10 to 20 miles, push-ups, sit-ups, swimming, and carrying heavy loads over rough terrain, all under strict time limits. Even a few seconds of delay can mean elimination. But this is only the beginning. The mind is tested as much as the body. Sleep deprivation, hunger, high-pressure scenarios, and complex problem-solving are all part of the process. The goal is clear: survival under extreme conditions. Special Forces must be ready to operate anywhere, on land, in the air, or at sea. Training begins with physical conditioning that pushes every limit. Days start before sunrise with intense running. Obstacle courses challenge strength, speed, and agility. Trainees crawl through mud, climb walls, jump from heights, and swim through cold waters. Fatigue is expected. Pain is normal. Only relentless determination keeps them moving forward. Mental toughness is equally crucial. Trainees are placed in high-stress simulations with sudden explosions, darkness, isolation, and uncertainty. They must remain calm, focused, and make quick decisions, knowing that panic can cost lives. This is where the mind becomes a soldier's greatest weapon. Survival training tests endurance in the wild. Rations are minimal. Shelter is scarce. Trainees must learn to survive using only the resources around them, finding food, collecting water, navigating terrain, and enduring the elements. They face rain, cold, and nights under open skies, all while staying alert and mission-ready. Weapons and tactical training follow with no room for error. Precision and speed are essential. From assembling and disassembling firearms in seconds to shooting moving targets under pressure, every action must be flawless. Special Forces soldiers are trained to adapt and overcome in any combat situation. Teamwork is vital. No member of the Special Forces operates alone. Each depends on the other. When one falls, the team lifts them. When one struggles, the others compensate. Success depends on coordination, trust, and unity. The final phase is the ultimate test of endurance. Extended missions with little sleep, minimal food, and continuous high-stress exercises push every trainee to the breaking point. Many drop out. Only those with unwavering resolve survive. Those who endure earn the right to wear the badge of America's elite Special Forces. American Special Forces are more than soldiers. They are a mindset that conquers fear, that embraces the impossible, that moves like shadows, completes the mission, and disappears without recognition. We may never know their names, but their courage, discipline, and sacrifice are a testament to the peak of human capability. This is the story of America's Special Forces. This is the story of true warriors.
My job, I'm the howitzer section chief. I'm the main boss, I'd have to say, and safety officer of the weapon system and safe firing of the weapon system, making sure my guys are safe while firing the weapon system and doing their job properly. The mission of artillery is to send rounds down range timely and accurately for infantry units, and the reason it's important is because, well, when Grunsteed fires, we need to be ready to give them fires. I'd say it's important to train in an environment like this because, well, for one, where we're currently located on Camp Lejeune. We usually don't get to train in cold weather environments where the terrain is obscene and you don't have to deal with those challenges that comes with cold weather training in artillery. If we're training to support a grunt unit, we're usually waiting around for them to call for fires, when if it's just battalion or a battery exercise, it's usually on us. The trainings offered us, me and my Marines, like time to bond and to get really good training in a cold weather environment, where we usually won't get that in Camp Lejeune. Artillery is the king of battle, and it is the best job in the world.
Set there to be 4 times enemy.
Yeah. Well, at the top, I know the position. Yeah. King, we're walking back that way.
Yeah. Give me another gun there. Hello.
What do you want me?
I wybrał to, co chciał.
brilliant jump, is one out of 14 exercises that are being executed in the context of the exercise under the umbrella of NATO, the steadfast defender. And the importance and relevance of this exercise is related to the fact that this is the only one that is led by NATO. This is a unique opportunity of training the GTF as the special head of the NATO response force. And after having been here on the whole morning, I have to say that we have the right leadership, the committed and very professional troops with the right skills.
I've been delighted with what I've seen. We've done a lot of training as headquarters, as commanders, and this is the first time we've come together live with all of the troops. So all of the nations have trained hard on their own, and today we've proven our interoperability, our ability to work together and to deliver the results you saw today.
So, as you said, Poland is in fact in the front line of the NATO. This is the eastern flank of the NATO. So we have to be ready to fight first.
The exercise was really good. Everything went well. We had a lot of things to do. We had a lot of enemies to take on because other people had to stop back. Problems always happens. As we say in the army, it is first plan never survives the war. So we had a second plan, a third plan, so everything went well.
I think with all of the soldiers, it's great to talk to them, especially about the different job roles and find out things in common as well. And it's actually quite interesting seeing how unique each individual unit is from each nation, especially if we're going to be working so closely together.
On you! Stand up! Fire! Fire!
Ram. One lead verified!
Look up! Fire! Nice shot, hang up! Nobody else,
Deflection 3208.
Grip! Swallow! Did you swallow? No. Ready, move! Touch with Lima!
One lead verified! Last round, so
Lima! Put down!